Decentraland is one of the most popular Metaverse games where users can make money as they play games. Players can buy and sell digital real estate. They can create digital art, NFTs, and play games while interacting with others in a virtual world. Decentraland uses the Ethereum blockchain to record ownership of properties and transactions. And this is very good because the Ethereum blockchain, all the cryptocurrency blockchains are very secure. Another advantage of this is that it makes it very easy to be able to transfer ownership of properties that one owns. The native token of Decentraland is Mana. So Mana is just like dollar in Decentraland, you know. So you can use Mana to buy anything that you want and sell. We're talking about land, digital land, collectibles, and stuff like that. So what kind of investments are available in Decentraland? How do you make money in Decentraland? So that's what we really want to be talking about in this video. There are a couple of ways that you can make money. You can buy and sell real estate, digital real estate, and there are a lot of other things. We go into it and we take one after the other. Let's go. Just like real estate in real world, investing in land and selling them once their value increases is one of the most common ways to earn in Decentraland. Land in Decentraland comes in parcels of 16 by 16 meters as NFTs, meaning they are unique and no one else can just reproduce them to be able to sell, so they're pretty safe. Players can purchase their land at the in-game marketplace, or they can also do that at third-party exchanges like OpenSea. So that's OpenSea right there, and you can purchase your land lot in OpenSea. Prices in OpenSea are in Ethereum. So like this one is at 3.8955 Ethereum. You can place a bid, and the highest bidder be in, so that way you can get, and you can also buy from the marketplace directly in Decentraland. As it happens in the real world, land that is located near frequently visited destinations like Crypto Valley, Vegas City, in Decentraland, these tend to cost more. Decentraland has a fixed quantity of 90,000 properties. So because of this, the value can tend to go up if more and more people invest in land in Decentraland. And if you own adjacent parcel of land, you can combine them together, making it an estate, and that could increase the value you sell at a later time. So Mana tokens serve as a means of exchange in Decentraland, and one way you can make money is you buy Mana, you hold it, and you can sell it later. There are a couple of exchanges that you can trade on this or just buy as an investment. You can do that in Binance. Like right now, this is Binance platform, and this price is here in Mana, quoted in USDT. So you can buy from these places. So crypto prices, they tend to fluctuate, but you can sell later when prices go up. Another way that to make money, you can make money in Decentraland. You can create clothes and sell them. You can design and sell clothes and wearables on Decentraland to earn money. So apart from having 3D design experience, you also have to invest like 500 mana for each a piece to be able to, after designing, to put it on blockchain. When you market your design properly using platform like Discord and Reddit, and let people know about what you're selling, whether they're sneakers or hats or pants or stuff like that, people maybe wear this, and later as the Metaverse gets more popular, when people get on the Metaverse, they need to be changing your wearables from here and there, and that could be something good. Decentraland offers the opportunity to design and play mini games and win NFTs and wearables. You can then sell these assets for a profit. So when you get NFTs in return for the games to design or play games, I need to get someone to buy these NFTs or wearables. That's how you make money. In the Decentraland casinos, you can also play popular casino games and earn mana, NFTs, and wearables. The mana is the token, Decentraland. So when you earn that, you can easily sell that in any of the exchanges for USDT or dollar, as the case may be. You can as well sell your NFTs and wearables. So when you play games, you can see it. Some casino games include slot, poker, blackjack, and others. So they're good in playing games. That could be something to some way of earning money. But just like in the real world, in Decentraland, you can offer your services as a freelancer and get employed by other players. So job opportunities include 3D modeling, creating wearables, coding, making videos, and art and marketing. So maybe you don't have funds of your own to invest, or you don't want to do that, and looking for a way to market stuff that you make. You can find individuals or companies are doing such stuff right there in Decentraland, and you can offer your services as a freelancer, and you get paid for the job that you do, just like in real world. That's something good to consider. Decentral Games is hiring inside the Metaverse. You can work as a host in a virtual casino and get paid a fixed rate of $200 per month and get promoted once you get enough experience. So that may not look like so much money, but if that's something you want, and of course you work in and you learn on the job, and by the time you're able to do the job well, you can get promoted. The responsibilities of this host include interacting with other players and running games and other events. And so think about places like Disney and stuff like that. They have staff who help people around, So in the Metaverse, in Decentraland, so are you gonna be doing such a job if that's something you like and you get paid? That's good. Decentraland offers many play-to-earn games, but you could also buy land with Mana, a native token of Decentraland, and you can create your own games, shops, galleries, museums, stadiums for football, or you name it, whatever you want, you can do in Decentraland. It's a metaverse and it's very good. You can do whatever you do in the real world. You can also attend live events. Every now and then they have live events. There you can connect with a community and make special friends. Decentraland offers very exciting experiences and opportunities to make money. But we'd like to hear from you. What else would you like to know about Decentraland or other metaverse projects and games? There is Sandburst, another metaverse games. Would you like a heads up comparison between Sandburst and Decentraland? Please comment below. And if you found value in our video, please hit the like button. And please subscribe. This is Enitech. Please subscribe to our videos and hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified when we get another very beneficial content to you. All the ways to make money that we've talked about today, we encourage you to do your own research. These are not financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any investment. This is Enitech. We thank you very much for stopping by. Until the next video, thank you very much.